Road closures and the mixture of snow, rain, and even sleet on roads are making travel harrowing for some. KIMT News 3's Annalise Johnson is checking with the drivers of the big 18-wheelers to find out how this mess is impacting them. She joins us live. Annalise.
George, I'm in front of Highway 52 in Rochester, and this is what I'm seeing right now. Right now, the highway looks wet, but is otherwise pretty clear of slush. However, some semi-drivers that I spoke to today tell me that getting around is not easy.
It's crazy out there, and the roads are slick.
Big rig driver Richard Albert says driving his semi has been a challenge, and closed roads are causing him to reroute his trip.
Starting to close the roads down over in Wisconsin right there on the 94, and that's the reason why I'm coming this way here.
Trucker Ron Jansen is facing a similar problem. He's changing his travel plans to stay on clear, open roads.
I was supposed to go up 94, but that was closed, Interstate 94, so then I just come this way and go up to Minneapolis this way now. So it's a little further out of the way, but it's at least I can get there.
Jansen says travel is difficult, but he's doing his part to be alert and aware on the interstate.
It's been kind of nasty with the wind and stuff, and you got to watch what you're doing. You got to be careful. You got to watch out for other cars and traffic and stuff. So you got to be careful. That's all I can say, you know.
At the Marion rest stop where I talked to these drivers today, they are resting inside their vehicles because they can't rest inside. The rest stop is without electricity or water. I'll tell you what I know about the situation at KIMT News 3 at 6. Live in Rochester, Annalise Johnson, KIMT News 3.
Thank you very much, Annalise. And if you are planning on hitting the road this evening, head to KIMT.com first. There we've posted a number of links to resources for drivers so you can stay up to date on the latest road conditions and closures.